Vivo is back, and this time, they aren't just chasing camera benchmarks, they're chasing the battery king title. This is the Vivo X300s. It's launching alongside the X300 Ultra, but for many of you, this might actually be the more practical choice. We're talking a massive battery, a first-of-its-kind 144Hz screen for the X series, and that legendary Zeiss tuning. Let's dive in. First, let's talk aesthetics. The X300s features a refined metal frame and a stunning dual-tone rear panel. It's coming in 4 colors: film green, silver, black, and a gorgeous Dreamcore purple. But the real star is on the front. We're looking at a 6.78-inch BOE Q10 Plus display. For the first time in the X series, Vivo is bumping the refresh rate up to 144 Hz. It's a 1.5K resolution panel with Zeiss color calibration, making it one of the most color-accurate and fluid screens on any phone this year. Calibration, making it one of the most color-accurate and fluid screens on any phone this year. Under the hood, the X300s is expected to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500, an all-big core powerhouse. But here is the headline feature: a massive 7,100 mAh Blue Ocean battery. That is the largest capacity we've ever seen in a mainstream Vivo flagship. To keep you moving, it supports 90-watt wired fast charging and 40-watt wireless charging. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a power user, this phone simply refuses to die. Of course, it wouldn't be a Vivo X series without legendary cameras. The X300s features a Zeiss-tuned 200-megapixel primary sensor. It's joined by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. Vivo is also introducing their new Blueprint Native Color system. It's designed to give your photos a professional film-like aesthetic, preserving natural skin textures and perfect lighting. And for the selfie lovers, a pro-grade 50-megapixel front camera. Vivo didn't stop there. We're getting an IP68 and IP69 rating for ultimate water and dust resistance, a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner that works even with wet fingers, and an upgraded X-axis vibration motor for elite haptics. The Vivo X300s officially launches in China on March 30th alongside the X300 Ultra. With a battery this big and a screen this fast, it might just be the most practical flagship of 2026. What do you think? Is the 7,100 mAh battery enough to make you switch? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for our full deep dive review coming soon. I'm Teltech, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.